target is on rails, but there's still military vehicles and anti-air weaponry.
Yeah, I got you, Skykeeper. Don't worry about it.
But HQ has made it clear that no harm should come to civilians and no damage is to be done to public facilities.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna blow up all the people around this, around our target.
No point arguing. That's how war is these days.
I'm gonna just, I'm just gonna go and, you know, find all the innocent homes and houses and buildings and just, you know, take the second little boy or fat man or what have you. I'll just Castle Bravo their asses. I'll just take my, big boom plane and Castle Bravo their fucking asses.
Target destroyed.
You won't have to worry about a thing. I will completely innocently take out our targets.
Prepare to engage in 30 seconds.
I will completely follow orders and,
Pay attention to who's on what side. The newest IFF is connected to our entire force via satellite.
I took 40 BENADRYLS before going on this mission.
There's one more to go for every target. Box 2.
That was the last radar vehicle. Great work.
H2, they have a lock on you.
Radar vehicle's destroyed, but the interceptor shows no sign of retreating. Take it out. Continue with the mission. Crush as many as you can.
Enemy aircraft away from the base.
Enemy transports are taxiing.
Yeah, sucks to be you, buddy, but, you know, I'm just gonna go and, kill more of your family now. I watched the Kill Your Family show, and, and now I've gone completely insane!
This base is worth destroying.
Okay, let's completely blind those bastards.
Let's go and...
Behind you. Enemy on your tail.
Let's go and just
Bullets don't just affect your field of vision.
blow everyone to smithereens! That would be a jolly good time!
Go 3. Hit the bailout now.
Golem 1, enemy will crash in a residential area.
Just worry about staying alive for now.
Shut the fuck up, Brownie! I'm having a good time killing people with my flaming airplane debris! That's half the fun of this whole operation!
It didn't connect.
Get away from that vehicle. Now. Launch preparations complete. Hold support whenever you're ready. Stand clear 15 meters. UAVs ready to launch. Away.
Oh boy! Here come the drones!
What happened? Status report.
Multiple bogeys on radar. They're close.
Wait, they're being launched.
You're cleared to engage. They're probably hostile.
Judging by the
Probably hostile, you say?
Well spotted, clown. No doubt about it, we're dealing with UAVs. But that doesn't change a thing. Just think of them as somewhat clever decoys. Take them all down. These drones have great agility. All aircraft. You know what high G turns are, right? Use them. HQ, this is Golem 1. Bandits confirmed as UAVs. Repeat, bandits are drones.
Luckily, these things only take one hit to take down.
Fighters and get out.
It doesn't matter.
He's saying the war can change in an instant. Get over it.
Yeah, I just wish they'd give us a bit more warning.
Enemy UAV.
You don't need warning where we're going.
Squadron, you're not gonna let
I
these
can
get
take on anything that comes my way.
How many's that now?
And so much more than that as well.
Shit.
Once everything is done here, we will blow the entire continent of Fuchsia to smithereens. We will sink the continent.
They won't show up on the
And then we will put a stop to the Belkin witchcraft!
Any casualties?
Get back here, you little bastard!
Trigger. Enemy aircraft confirmed down.
The skies are clear. Nice work, everyone. Mission complete. RTB.
No casualties. We couldn't have done any better. Returning to base.
Oh, there were plenty of casualties, I'm sure.
Casualties.
No point arguing. That's how war is these days.
You shoot.
There were plenty of casualties on my end.
Guys in charge.
I made sure of it. I made sure that we would have as much blood and carnage as is humanly possible on our battlefields.
But there's still military vehicles and
I am spitting all over the place.
You've given us air superiority by destroying their radar.
Ugh.
The first barrier keeping
Wow.
us from retaking the space elevator is gone.
What the actual hell just happened? I like blacked out for a few minutes there.
Let us reclaim what is ours.
Did you guys catch any of what I said?